Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Solution. First of all, I would like to thank all my dear friends who have subscribed my channel and liked my first video. In my first video, I show you how you can easily find the square of any number from 1 to 100 in an easy way. You can also use that method to find the product of any two different double-digit numbers. The answer will be correct in each case. In today's video, I will show you how you can find the product of two different three-digit numbers just in a single step. So let's start the video. First of all, we will take an example. Let's take the number 345 and let's another number will be 123. Here I will show you how you can find the product of these two different three-digit numbers in one step, and we will also verify the result with the traditional method. First of all, multiply the unit digit. 3 5s are 15. Write 5 here. 1 is the carry digit here. Then cross multiply the unit digit and the tens digit and add their product, plus also add this carry digit. So 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10. 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10. 12 and 10, 22, 22 and this carry digit 23. Write 3 here and 2 is the carry digit this time. After this step, multiply the unit digit number with the 100 digit number, 100 place number, and this one with this. Cross multiply with this number with this number, and also multiply the tens digit and add the product of these three different multiplications. So let's start. 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 9 and 5 14, 4 2s are 8, 14 on 2, 4 2s are 8, 14 and 8 22. So 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 4 2s are 8. Product addition of these product is 22. 22 plus this 2 carry digit 24. So write 4 here and 2 is again the carry digit. And after this, cross multiply this digit, tens place digit and hundreds place digit, and then add their product. 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 6 and 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. Write 2 and again 1 is the carry digit here, and in the last step multiply the 100th place digit and add the carry digit. 3 1s are 3, 3 and 1 4. So you can see here that how easily we have find the answer just in one single step. Let's verify the answer with the traditional method of multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 1 is the carry digit here. 3 5s are 3 4s are 12, 12 and 1 13, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 1 10. Cross here. 5 2s are 10, 2 4s are 8 and 1 9, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Let's add 5 3 9 plus 5 14. 1 is the carry digit here. 4 and 6 10, 10 plus 2 12 and 1 is the carry. 3 plus 1 4. So you can see that the answer is same with these two different methods. So let's take another example. 427. That's another number be 361. Just do it with short trick method. I hope you remember from the first example that first of all we have to multiply the unit digit. 7 1s are 7. Then cross multiply this with this and add their product. 2 1s are 2, 7 6 are 42, 42 and 2 44. Write 4 here and 4 is the carry digit here. Then after that multiply the unit digit with the 100 place digit. cross multiply, and also multiply the tens place digit and add their products. 4 ones are 4, 3 sevens are 21, 21 and 4 25. Also multiply the tens digits. 6 2s are 12 and add 37 plus this carry digit 4. So it is 41. Write 1 here, 4 is again the carry digit, and after that cross multiply these number. 6 4s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 24 and 6 30, 30 plus 4 34, and 3 is the carry digit. In the last step, multiply the 100 place digit and add the carry digit. 3 4s are 12, 12 and 3 15. You can also verify the answer with the traditional method when you do it by yourself. So I hope you like this method. To master this method, you just need to practice this concept with 2 to 3 different examples. I hope you will quickly grasp this concept. Hope you like my video. If you like it, then please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and of course comment as well. Thank you so much.